Welcome to our video on the power of music, harmonies for the soul. Get ready to embark on a captivating journey into the magical realm of music, where melodies transcend language, touch our hearts, and have the power to transform our emotions and well-being. Music is the universal language that speaks to the depths of our souls. Regardless of our background or cultural upbringing, we can all connect through the enchanting melodies and rhythms that evoke emotions beyond words. It is a language that unites us all. Did you know that music has the power to heal? It has been scientifically proven that certain melodies and harmonies can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and even alleviate pain. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of music therapy and the remarkable effects it can have on our well-being. What happens in our brains when we listen to music? Let's explore the intricate neural connections that light up when we hear a beautiful piece of music. From dopamine release to the synchronization of brain waves, music has a profound impact on our neurological pathways, elevating our mood and enhancing our cognitive abilities. Music has the unique ability to transport us to different emotional landscapes. It can make us feel joy, sadness, nostalgia, or excitement. Through the power of storytelling and composition, musicians craft melodies that evoke specific emotions within us. Join us as we explore the emotional journey that music takes us on and how it resonates with our deepest experiences. Have you ever noticed how a particular song can instantly transport you back in time? Music has a remarkable connection to our memories. It can evoke vivid recollections, trigger nostalgia, and even assist in memory retention. Discover the fascinating interplay between music and memory, and how it can enrich our lives. Music not only inspires our emotions, but also fuels our creativity. Whether you're an artist, writer, or simply someone seeking inspiration, the power of music can unlock new realms of imagination and innovation. Let's dive into the ways music enhances our creative capacities and opens doors to new possibilities. There's something truly magical about experiencing music in a live setting. The energy, the collective connection, and the shared experience create a transcendent atmosphere. We'll explore the transformative impact of live performances and how they leave us in awe of the immense power of music. Throughout history, music has played a pivotal role in shaping societies and sparking social change. From protest songs to anthems of unity, music has the power to ignite revolutions and bring people together. Join us as we delve into the profound influence of music on society and its ability to create lasting impact. As we conclude our exploration into the power of music, we invite you to embrace the melodies, harmonies, and rhythms that resonate with your soul. Let the enchanting vibrations of music uplift your spirit, heal your wounds, and ignite your creativity. In a world that can sometimes feel chaotic, music is the thread that weaves us together and reminds us of our shared humanity. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey into the world of music's influence. We hope this video has inspired you to appreciate the profound impact music has on our lives. From the universal language that connects us all, to its therapeutic and healing effects, and its ability to evoke emotions and ignite creativity, music is a powerful force that enriches our existence. As you prepare to drift off to sleep, let the soothing melodies and captivating insights from this video guide you into a peaceful slumber. Allow the harmonies to envelop you, transporting you to a realm where music transcends boundaries and nourishes your soul. In the symphony of life, let music be your guiding light, your refuge, and your source of joy. As you close your eyes and surrender to the enchanting sounds, let them wash away the worries of the day, leaving you in a state of tranquility and serenity. Remember, music is not just a form of entertainment or background noise. It is a profound expression of the human spirit, a source of solace, and a catalyst for self-discovery. Embrace the power of music, and let it illuminate your path, both in waking moments and in the realm of dreams. Thank you for joining us on this mesmerizing exploration of the power of music. We hope you found it both captivating and enlightening. Now, as you embark on your journey to dreamland, may the melodies of your dreams be harmonious and your slumber be filled with peace. Good night.